Understanding Recipe of Rebirth, Exploring Language and Meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to explore: Recipe of Rebirth. This phrase is not just unique but also carries deep meanings and cultural connotations. Let's dive into understanding what it means and how it can be used in the English language. Recipe of Rebirth combines two interesting words: recipe and rebirth. A recipe is a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish, including a list of the ingredients required. On the other hand, rebirth refers to the process of being reincarnated or born again. In a metaphorical sense, it symbolizes a complete transformation or a new beginning. This phrase can be deeply philosophical. Rebirth is a concept found in many cultures and religions, such as Buddhism and Hinduism, where it represents a new cycle of life. By combining it with recipe, the phrase suggests that there is a method, or a set of steps, one can follow to achieve this transformation or new beginning. In English, the phrase recipe of rebirth is not commonly used in everyday conversation. It's more poetic and might be found in literature, motivational speeches, or philosophical discussions. It's used to inspire or suggest that change is possible and can be methodically achieved. Let's see how this phrase can be used in sentences. 1. After his long journey of self-discovery, he finally found the recipe of rebirth and started a new chapter in his life. 2. The book promises a recipe of rebirth, guiding readers through a transformative personal journey. Recipe of Rebirth is a thought-provoking phrase that blends the practical idea of a recipe with the profound concept of rebirth. It encourages the idea that transformation is attainable and can be systematically approached. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this unique phrase. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and cultures they represent. Keep exploring and stay curious. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.